Time for a quick exercise. So in this exercise, we're going to take a look at that phones table once again. Our goal is to print out the name and price for each phone. And then as a third column, we're also going to print out the ratio of a phone's price against the max price of all phones. So ultimately, we're going to have a table or result with 3 different columns and many different rows. 1 row for each individual phone. So we'll get the name of each phone, the price, and then this phone's price divided by the price of the maximum phone. Now, without a doubt, we could take a look at this table and find the maximum price. There it is right there, $3.99. But as we discussed just a little bit ago, it's kind of hard for us to always assume that we can visually inspect a table and get some value out. So rather than trying to manually divide the price to calculate that third column right there by $3.99, you should instead write out a subquery. A subquery that's going to find the max price. So go ahead and give this a shot, and we'll take a look at a solution, of course, in just a moment.